What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll backflip kick your grandma into a pool full of your tears. Also, stick around to the end of the video if you want to enter in to win a free guitar, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a D minor 7. It's 0, 5, 7, 5, 6, 5. And then you need an A minor 7, which is bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger and then put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string. Then we're going to a C bar chord, bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger and then bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger and then bar the 5th fret with your ring finger on the D, the G, and the B string. And if you can't, you don't really have to worry about the high E as long as you have A, D, G, and B. That's all you need for that chord. And then finally, you're going to go to a G major bar chord. Bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Once you get those chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be the same thing for each chord. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. Again, down, 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 up, 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 down, up for each chord. Starting with the D minor 7, it looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. Again, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's the simplest way to play the strumming pattern. Now, if you want to play the advanced version of the strumming pattern where they're kind of muting in between some of the strums, it's a little bit difficult, especially if you're a beginner, but I will show it to you very, very slowly so you can get it down. It's the same exact strumming pattern that I just showed you. You're just going to be lifting your fingers off the strings for some of them so that you get that muted sound. Slowly, it looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. So you're holding down on down, down, releasing on down, holding down on up, releasing, holding down on up, releasing, muting on up, and then down, up is held down. I know that sounds confusing, but I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible. So again, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. Again, you're holding down the chord for down, down, taking it off for up, holding it down, or holding it down for your up and releasing, and then an up muted strum, down, up, held down, 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 up. have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.